Okay, we're looking at a 2017 Sportster 48 model with a hard candy custom tank. One of the really nice features about this bike is the color, the paint, the tank. Again, it's a hard candy custom tank. Now, it's hard to tell in the video, but the metallic red in this bike is absolutely beautiful. This bike only has a couple hundred miles on it. If you want to get more information on this motorcycle, go to desertwindhd.com. You'll see it listed there in the inventory along with the rest of our motorcycles. We have a ton of Sportsters available. This particular one is just absolutely beautiful. Again, very low miles in the custom hard candy paint scheme. If you want to come down and test ride it, by all means, come down, check it out, ask for someone in sales. They'll be glad to help you. Take it for a test ride, but I guarantee you, you're going to fall in love with this bike.